Sorry. Although we were treated like twins, there was always a older brother, younger brother relationship that we maintained. He was, when we were younger, he was scared of like a lot of things, like everything.
A lot of things.
Yeah, I know he likes to scare people like today, but back in the day, he was the easiest one to scare. He was mostly scared of monsters. He was mostly scared of monsters, and the way I would comfort him was I would tell him that if like Freddy or Jason or the Crypt Keeper, who like told scary stories, wasn't even a monster, but if any of them came along, that I would let them kill me first, so that he could run. But like I said, we lived together till about 13 or 14 years old, and I remember the first night that we didn't sleep in the same room. I told him, I invited him. I told him I would leave my door open for you if you were scared, and he actually didn't come to my room that night, which was very surprising to me. He actually never needed to sleep in my room again. That was my first sign that he was growing up, and first significant sign. The second sign was when my father passed away in 2002. He was, I'm a baby, I'm a crybaby. I'm surprised I'm not crying right now, but I think it's honestly because I'm just so happy for him. Quiver. When my father passed away, I cried like all the time. But my baby brother, he never cried. At least I didn't see him cry. And I got to say that with a whole bunch of siblings and family members suffering during that time, he really kept me strong. He really helped me out at that time. And although I've been 14, although I've been the older brother, he at that time really gained my respect and really showed me that he doesn't have to be older to support me. And from then on, I didn't look at him like a younger brother anymore. I looked at him like my equal. As the years went on, we stopped acting like twins. We started going off and onto our own different courses in life. And the only thing that you could really see that was similar between us is our looks. But then again, we were also, that didn't mean that we didn't need each other. That just means we were more of a, rather than being twins, we were more of a yin and yang relationship. And we really needed each other to balance each other out. And then last year, got engaged, and I copied him. 6 months. 6 months later, I got engaged, and then we started twinning again. We do everything together. I even requested a transfer at work so that we could work together. We worked on opposite sides of the work week, and it eventually took its toll on me. So I requested that we work together, and now we work together, and we do everything once again together. And we talk a lot. Talk a lot about my fiancée. We talk a lot about Priscilla. Priscilla, I knew her. I've known her for about 7 years. I actually knew her before her and Ramon started dating. It was actually quite a surprise when he started telling me that he liked her and that they started to talk. But what wasn't a surprise was that how quickly he fell for her. She's always been sweet. She's always been really good to me, and also her family has always taken me in like a member of their family. And I must say that a couple years ago, when I came over for Christmas, we'll leave the details to whoever was there. Essentially, Ms. Lai treated me like a member of their family, like right off the bat, and I could only imagine how she would treat my baby brother. So, sorry. I could tell by the way that they treated me how much they love Ramon for her. And I can honestly say that from my own ears, I know how much he loves you guys too. So he loves you the same way we love Pila. And I'm so glad that we mixed the sand together. Because if it's anything like separating that sand, I hope that they stick together, and it's just that difficult. You know, I'm glad that our families got to weld together, and now we're one great, big, happy family. And I just wanted to say to you, Pila, that as his unofficial twin, that I know what it takes for him to be happy, and it happened. Now we're. So please, everybody, Ramon's been dreaming of this day since she was a little girl. Toast to my twins, Priscilla, their future family, and most importantly,